A psychology-informed consent is a very important document that outlines the terms and conditions of psychological therapy. A legal agreement sets the framework for the therapeutic relationship between the therapist and the client. The document ensures that the client is fully informed of the nature of therapy and is aware of the possible risks and benefits of participating in therapy. This consent includes several components. First, it outlines the nature of therapy and what clients can expect from the therapeutic process. Confidentiality is another critical aspect of psychology-informed consent. Clients need to understand that their personal information will be kept confidential except in certain circumstances. The risks and benefits of therapy are also discussed in psychology-informed consent. Clients must understand that therapy may involve discussing difficult or painful experiences, which can be emotionally challenging. Consent to treatment is another important component of the psychology-informed consent. Clients must agree to participate in therapy and understand they are responsible for attending scheduled sessions and paying for services rendered. The consent form is typically obtained at the beginning of therapy when the therapist and the client first meet. The psychology-informed consent is for individuals, couples, families, and groups seeking psychological therapy and mental health professionals who provide psychological therapy. To use our psychology-informed consent form, follow these steps. Download our free psychology-informed consent form off our Carepatron platform, which you can find the link in the description. Once you have downloaded the form, take the time to review it carefully. Read through the documents to ensure you understand the terms and conditions of therapy, including the nature, confidentiality, risks and benefits of therapy, and consent to treatment. Once you have reviewed the documents and had necessary discussions with your therapist, you are ready to sign and date the form. By doing so, you indicate that you have read and understand the information provided and agree to participate in psychological therapy with your therapist. Here is a sample of our psychology-informed consent form from our Carepatron platform. To find our psychology-informed consent form, go to our Carepatron platform or click on the link in the description. In our template section, we have a variety of templates and worksheets for you to use with your patient. You can filter or type in the keywords to find the worksheet. Thank you for watching our video at Carepatron. If you enjoyed this video, give us a like. If you would like to see more videos like these, subscribe to our Carepatron channel or click on one of our recommended videos.